Guys, me Giovanni. I'm done building this. Probably, I don't know, it's an AR-15. I have the civilian grip, my laser sight, our modified muzzle brake. I have the sights for that. Then I have the pullback for the AR, I think. Then I have the safety, and then I also have the magazine with the ammunition, which is right here. This is what it uses. I'm just going to disassemble the magazine. This is for any jamming in the mag, because that does happen. Because the spring breaks, you have to replace it. Let me just put the cartridges back in, because I'm not sure what these are. I'm pretty sure they're 30-06 or I don't know. Let's put that bag in the mag slot. Yeah. Then I have your sights, which looks pretty cool. Then you have your extendable stock. Hold on. You can go like that. Then you can move the safety to semi-auto, full auto, and probably a 3-round burst and safety. So that's the gun. Oh, the barrel's detaching. We'll fix that later. So I just wanted to tell you, making guns is easy. The important lesson of this video is don't think everything is perfect. Just tell yourself that you just tried your best. God bless all of you. Nombre Padre, del Hijo, del Espíritu Santo, Amen. Bless all of you guys. Amen.